Phrasal verbs. Wake up. It's time to wake up. Call up. I call up my friend to chat. Get together. We get together every weekend for family dinner. Point out. I point out the red bird in the tree. Wash up. I need to wash up before sleep. Put on. I am putting on my shirt. Bring down. She brings down the book from the shelf. Get along. We get along well with our neighbors. Pick up. I am picking up my toys. Clean up. We are cleaning up our home. Hang out. I am hanging out with my friend. Sit down. We are sitting down to study. Go out. We are going out to play. Get through. I got through the tough test. Look up. I am looking up at the sky. Come back. I am coming back home. Take off. I am taking off my shoes. Hang up. I am hanging up my clothes. Take care of. I am taking care of my child. Set up. I am setting up my chessboard. Turn on. I am turning on the light. Write down. I am writing down my homework. Put down. We are putting down the items. Turn off. I am turning off the computer. Throw away. I throw away the garbage. Climb up. We are climbing up the tree pole.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe please.